Welcome to our channel. I hope this video is useful. How to use the word ber. Ber is often called a verbal prefix. This is because most of the words with this prefix are verbs, even though they may be derived from nouns, verbs, or other sources. Ber. Verbs are intransitive. That is, they occur with only one noun or noun phrase in a sentence, and this noun is the subject of the sentence. In this chapter we look at the different meaning of ber words. Ber, verb and not verbs. Ber, an. To have what the base word indicates. Ber. This group roughly means to have. However, when we translate it into English, we may use the ending ed or use of or have.
Berkaki 4.
4 legs.
Berumur 5 tahun.
Be 5 years of age.
Berkumis.
Have a mustache.
Anak.
Child.
Beranak.
To have a child.
Jenggot.
Beard.
Berjenggot.
To have a beard.
Kaki.
Foot.
Berkaki.
To have feet.
Kulit.
Skin.
Berkulit.
To have skin.
Kumis.
Mustache.
Berkumis.
To have a mustache.
Nama.
Name.
Bernama.
To have the name be called.
Rambut.
Hair.
Berambut.
To have hair.
Uang.
Money.
Beruang.
To have money. Be wealthy.
Umur.
Age.
Berumur.
To have age. Be a certain age. Did you know? The word
Beruang
can mean 3 different things, depending on the base word from which it is derived. Based word.
Uang.
English meaning. Money.
Ber.
Word.
Ber plus uang.
English meaning. To have money, be wealthy. Based word. Ruang. English meaning. Room.
Ber.
Word.
Ber plus uang.
English meaning. To have room, house, building. Based word.
Beruang.
English meaning. Bear, animal.
Ber.
Word.
Beruang.
English meaning. Bear, animal. To use or wear. This group includes words pertaining to things we wear, items of clothing or use, including some vehicles, such as cars and bikes.
Baju.
Shirt. Attire.
Berbaju.
To wear. Attire. Jeans.
Jin. Berjeans.
To wear jeans.
Kacamata.
Glasses.
Berkacamata.
To wear glasses.
Mobil.
Car.
Bermobil.
To go by car.
Sepatu.
Shoes.
Bersepatu.
To wear shoes.
Sepeda.
Bicycle.
Bersepeda.
To go by bicycle.
Sepeda motor.
Motorbike.
Bersepeda motor.
To go by motorbike.
Singlet.
Singlet.
Bersinglet.
To wear a singlet.
Tongkat.
Walking stick.
Bertongkat.
To use a walking stick.
Topi.
Hat.
Bertopi.
To wear a hat. To do what the base word indicates. The following verbs represent only a few of the beer verbs. For more examples.
Cerita.
Story.
Bercerita.
To tell a story.
Cermin.
Mirror.
Bercermin.
To look at oneself in the mirror.
Gerak.
Motion.
Bergerak.
To move.
Latih.
Train.
Berlatih.
To train.
Libur.
Holiday.
Berlibur.
To take a vacation.
perang,
war,
berperang,
to engage in a war,
siul,
whistle,
bersiul,
to whistle,
tambah,
add, increase,
bertambah,
to increase,
tandang,
visit,
bertandang,
to visit,
temu,
meet,
bertemu,
to meet,
tugas,
task, duty,
bertugas,
to have a task, duty.
Note: formal and informal forms. Sometimes words with the ber prefix have the same meaning as those that do not have ber prefix. When speaking, Indonesians use either word. Words with the ber prefix are more formal, and this is the correct form to use when you write in Indonesian.
belanja,
To shop,
berbelanja,
To shop.
dagang,
To do business, sell.
berdagang,
To do business, sell.
kumpul,
To gather.
berkumpul,
To gather.
main,
To play.
bermain,
To play.
nyanyi,
To sing.
bernyanyi,
To sing.
spelling. When attached to certain base words, the R in ber is either replaced by another letter or, if the base word begins with R, it is dropped altogether. Throughout the rest of this chapter, an asterisk is used to indicate words to which the spelling change applies.
ajar,
To teach,
belajar,
to learn, study,
kerja,
To work.
bekerja,
To work.
renang,
To swim.
berenang,
To swim.
runding,
To negotiate.
berunding,
To negotiate.
berplus numeral,
when attached to a numeral,
ber,
means in plus number.
lima,
5,
berlima,
Group of 5 people, literally, in 5.
dua,
2,
berdua,
2 people together, literally, in 2.
However, note the following.
satu,
1,
bersatu,
To unite, to be one.
beran,
When the suffix an is attached to a ber verb, the verb will indicate either reciprocality of action or motion. Reciprocality. Reciprocality means that the verbs indicate mutual action or relationship between two or more people, animals, or inanimate objects, for example, vehicles.
bentur,
To knock, hit.
berbenturan,
To knock or hit each other.
cium,
To kiss.
berciuman,
To be kissing, 2 people.
dekat,
Near.
berdekatan,
To be in close proximity to each other.
dua,
2.
berduaan,
To be alone with a partner, literally, in 2.
hadap,
Face.
berhadapan,
To face each other.
jabat,
To shake hand.
berjabatan,
To shake hand.
jauh,
Far.
berjauhan,
To be distant from each other.
kenal,
To know.
berkenalan,
To introduce oneself to someone.
musuh,
Enemy.
bermusuhan,
To be each other's enemy.
pandang,
Gaze, look.
berpandangan,
To gaze/look at each other.
papas,
To come across.
berpapasan,
To meet or bump into someone.
pegang,
To hold.
berpegangan,
To hold hand.
sebelah,
Side.
bersebelahan,
To be side by side.
seberang,
Across.
berseberangan,
To be across each other.
tabrak,
To hit, collide.
bertabrakan,
To collide.
Irregular action or motion.
datang,
To come.
berdatangan,
To arrive one after another.
kejar,
To chase.
berkejaran,
To chase each other.
lari,
To run.
berlarian,
To run everywhere.
To and from.
tebar,
Scatter.
bertebaran,
To be scattered.
terbang,
To fly.
berterbangan.
To fly everywhere.
Waktu berkenalan, orang Indonesia biasanya berjabatan tangan.
when introducing themselves, Indonesians usually shake hands.
Mobil itu bertabrakan dengan truk.
The car collided with a truck.
Tamu-tamu mulai berdatangan ke pesta itu.
Guests are starting to arrive at that party. Reduplicated.
When ver is reduplicated, the word may indicate repeated or extended action, or action that takes place over an extended period of time. Reduplicated ver may also indicate plural.
Repeated or extended action, or over an extended time.
Berbincang-bincang.
To talk, discuss.
Bercakap-cakap.
To talk, chat.
Berjalan-jalan.
To walk at leisure, stroll.
Berjingkrak-jingkrak.
Jump up and down in excitement.
Berputar-putar.
To go round and round.
Handy expression. A useful common expression is
Berlama-lama.
purposely taking time in doing something.
Jangan berlama-lama di sana ya.
Don't stay too long there, will you?
Lisa berlama-lama mandi karena airnya hangat.
Lisa is taking her time showering since the water is warm.
Duplicated ver word.
Berbeda-beda.
Different kinds.
Bermacam-macam.
Various kinds.
Beratus-ratus.
Hundred of.
Beribu-ribu.
Thousand of.
Summary. Beer can mean to have, to use or wear, or to do what the base word indicates. Beer plus numeral means in plus number. Reduplicated beer indicates repeated action or action over an extended time, or plural. Thank you for watching this video, hopefully useful. Don't forget to like and subscribe.